Okay, so force field analysis. You can read through the concept, but I want to take a look at the example, right? Um, Force field analysis. Here's an issue. Let's say our person Alex is going through some stuff in life and they want to take a look at what's happening. This is how they can map it out. On the left side, there will be forces for change. On the right side, forces against the change. And you can see these different clouds, they represent different energy fields. And you can analyze yourself on a scale from 0 to 10, how each force is affecting it. So, access to professional help, 7. Desire for personal growth, 8. Personal motivation, determination, 8. External opportunities. And on the right side, you can see all these negative forces, everything that can potentially obstruct the change. Negative influence, I don't have time, I don't have money, I have problems with health right now. And again, we talked about it, fear of the unknown. And as you conduct this analysis, you can understand what are the dominant forces. And if the score on the left side is higher, you have a good possibility for a change. So you'll walk through this explanation, you'll read through this, and you can coach through this even before you start drawing and before you start representing everything graphically. You can write through this stuff, right? Any kind of forces for change, something that affects your motivation, your values and goals, support and resources, and forces against the change. Any kind of blockers, any kind of fears that you experience, any kind of resistance, any kind of external influence system, factors that are serving as an obstacle, or some past experiences in the negative past experiences. You can visualize it this way, right? After you've completed the written reflection, just take it and map it out. If you want, you can do it this way, download the PDF, or you can do it just graphically, take a pen and paper and draw it. How this helps you and analyze the forces.